Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get it. Bitcoin. Wow, we're getting all these Ethereum ETPs approved for listing on the London Stock Exchange. London, Bitcoin, Ethereum ETPs approved for listing on the stock exchange. What's going on? Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang on this beautiful sunny day. You can see the sunshine. You guys are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Let's go. So today is going to be an interesting day. Nonetheless, we do have our friend Mr. Pow, coming at 2 o'clock. So let's be prepared for that. Maybe we watch some Eric Crown during our live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because, it's going to be a doozy. It's going to be a doozy, and we should be prepared for that. Also, just wanted to share this with you guys. This is when my ex-girlfriends, when they find out how much crypto I have, I thought I would share this with you. Oh, man, I couldn't help it. Today's a good day, man. Today's a good day. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day to all you. Let's get into the top-down analysis. Let's find some trades. If you're new here, we have an amazing Discord full of amazing people. Top-notch traders making money all together. Amazing. Got the short from Lunar yesterday. We're looking for a little bit of bullishness last night. We didn't get the full pump up. We are looking at AI. NVIDIA has earnings. NVIDIA has earnings reports at the end of the market close today, so we can look for this to ripple through all the AI tokens. BitTensor seems to be the lowest common denominator in the sense of where it is in its position, looking for that breakout continuation on the TAO token. So we'll see if that pops off tonight going into Thursday morning, okay? That's something to keep on your radar. We're always looking at stuff together. We were looking at some crazy charts yesterday, but you got to be part of the crew, part of the gang to experience the full pleasure. And it's all free. I am also working on that BloFin cashback thing with you guys. It's taken a little bit longer. We are sponsored by BloFin and Market Cypher, as you can see down below. It helps support the channel, considering we do everything here for free. We will be doing a giveaway on Friday, and we will be away next week. So you guys are aware of everything as we're going forward here. So looking at this, the 3-day cooling off. No, the long-term time frames cooling off a little bit. This is okay because of the big ramping of money flow to the upside. And you can see we just are overextended here on Market Cypher with our VWAP. But there's still a lot of room to grow on our momentum waves. You look at this momentum wave over here, and you can see the big overextension and the coming down, but momentum is still coming to the upside. Okay, so these things do reset and then bounce and then maybe eventually cross over, but there's still lots of room to the upside on the momentum waves. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind for now. We go over to our daily. Now, our daily is a little bit more interesting. We're at the 0 line right now with money flow coming up. However, I would like to see a possible bounce right now, but we can see a little bit of aggression here with the rolling over. If we do cross the 0 line, I would look for an immediate try to V-shaped recovery of the VWAP back into the upside. Okay, cooling off here and continuing up would be nice to see on our momentum wave as well. But nonetheless, money is coming back in, which is the good sign. Okay, so that's something to be watching for sure. Now, we do have this upwards trend line. We were talking about this yesterday, how we would be coming back and across before heading onwards and upwards. Okay, that's something that we will keep our eyes on in the near future to see when we get to this trend line, will we continue to bounce. Now, we are up in this upper echelon of price action, and we are close to price discovery, which is exciting, for all of us here. But guys, typically, okay, I think my voice is cracking a little bit, is you want to long the lows, sell the highs. Now, do we want to fight this trend? Not really. It seems to be really heating up lately with all this ETF news for the market. So we don't really want to be shorting too much. We want to be, unless it's like an A+ setup, okay? I will short, but it's got to be a doozy. You know what I mean? So we'll be watching mostly for longs right now. Looking at the 12-hour here, we have the red dot, not confirmed. Okay, not confirmed, but we would have to push up immediately right now on this candle right here for this to change. Okay, this does look like a nice hammer candle nonetheless, though. So for me, if we do push up and close early this morning within the next half hour, if we push up within the next half hour, this is still going to be a hammer candle, which looks like we could be bouncing from here. So that's a good sign. Looking to the upside, you can also see that VWAP has crossed over the 0 line, but we can look for that return back up quite swiftly. Okay, getting over to the 8-hour, you can see we do have that continuation downwards on the red dot confirmed, but the flattening out of the VWAP and the curvature to the upside is really appealing in my opinion, where we can see that we are starting to come back in. Okay, and I mean, money is king and money is green, right? So that's looking good. And you can see a little bit of ramping here on your momentum waves, and oscillating within the upper part of market cipher is always a nice bullish uptrend. So that's a very good sign on our 8-hour. Okay, going over to our 4-hour here, we can simply see that we are starting to come back up and threaten the 0 line. Now, last night I said the 4-hour looked bullish because we are starting to threaten the 0 line. We're starting to push up, right? So we've come down and we've pushed up. Now we've come down. That's a higher low. And now we're pushing up. Okay, so this crossover could be extremely bullish for Bitcoin price action. Okay, you can see there's difference within these waves. So you can see here, when we dropped here, this is very aggressive. You can see this one is sort of curved, okay? That is a nice curvature. Look at this curvature before heading down, okay? So you got to look at the steepness of the waves as well to kind of see what kind of wave it is. Not every wave is going to be the same, okay? Getting into our 3-hour, VWAP crossover looks imminent, right? 2-hour VWAP crossover with trigger wave. Green dot looks pretty bullish to me, guys, on the short-term time frames, right? So those short-term time frames can confirm a V-shaped recovery on our 12-hour time frame, right? Pushing price back onwards and upwards. That's what we want to look for. So we're trying to front run the price action right now with these bullish lower term time frames. That's pretty much where we're at, right? So where are we at with areas? Where are we looking to buy, sell, all those good things? As I typically do, I will share this screen with you guys in the Discord. Nothing really has changed. Okay, we have our golden pocket rejection zone up here. We have our buy zone down here. The only thing I'm going to add is a fib within this area here in case we come down to the golden local, very, very local golden pocket. So we're going to add that one in down here. And then we're also going to see where our local point of control is. Okay, so this one's here. Yeah, it's like an order block there as well. So you can see, I would suggest that's an order block coming in. Let's see if it is. Yep, we do have an order block and liquidity zone right down there. So then we're going to pull the point of control for the local range here. Let's pull that across. Yep, matching up with our point of control. So this is a bounce zone that we can be looking for if we're looking for the short-term time frames for this kind of continuation to the upside, okay? If we do roll over, bounce in here, we could be looking to come up to the 70,700 level, which is the previous high and I believe a golden pocket rejection zone from the top to the bottom, as you can see right here. So we're prepared. Be prepared. Okay, 2 o'clock, Mr. Powell speaking. Right, make sure to add these levels to your charts across the board. Much love to you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hit me up in the Discord if you need anything. I will see you guys later on this evening at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I apologize yesterday for the live stream being cut short, but we did manage to finish in the Discord. So I will see you guys later and have a wonderful day. Peace.